welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of just like a swatches and a try on of the Wet n Wild Color Icon Ombre blush. This is the one I'm going to actually try on my cheeks today because I have tried these other two out, but I thought I would do like a side-by-side comparison of like swatches of them all quickly, just in case you're interested in getting them, because I believe these are the only three colors they have. So I thought that might be kind of helpful. So yeah, sorry, I just had to put on some lip balm. My lips are so dry right now. Like everything is dry. My hands felt so dry this morning. They like, oh, I hated even like touching them. Have you ever had that where your hands are just so dry that they like feel gross to touch? I don't know. But okay. So basically the first one that I got was the My Tai I Buy You a Drink, which just looks like this guy here. It's kind of like a peachy golden blush. I absolutely love it. These do have like a shimmer to them, but I personally really like that in a blush. And after I loved that one, I decided to pick up the other two because they were on sale. And the other one I was really excited for was the Princess Daiquiris, which is kind of more of like more pinky toned than the other. This is just what it looks like here. And as you can see, it's just kind of like a more pinky color and less gold toned, but I really like this whole like ombre style of blush. It's really pretty. And so the last one that I got was in Purple Haze, and I don't know about this one. I remember I think I tried swatching it when I did the haul video and it just didn't really come off as like a blush for me. Sorry if you keep seeing my like cheeks get like rosy or anything. It's like really hot in here, but I don't want to put the fan on because then it'll just be like super noisy. This is just what this guy looks like here. It goes from like a light pink to like a violet color. It's still really pretty. I just don't know how it's going to work as a blush. I honestly thought this one was going to be more like mauve-y toned, I guess, rather than just like straight up kind of like a lilac purple, but I'm just gonna get to swatching them really quick and then we'll try this guy on the cheeks. So I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but this is My Tai Buy You a Drink, and it's quite a bit more shimmery than these two, but still really pretty. This one is the Princess Daiquiris, and this one is in Purple Haze. So as you can see, this one's like really light. It's almost like a highlight, like a purple highlight. But I know these two look a bit lighter too, and they still look beautiful on the cheeks. So I'm really excited to try these. These ones have a bit more of a satin finish, but this one's actually my favorite, even though it does have those like a little bit more of like a shimmery effect to it. So right now I just have a little bit of like foundation concealer on and that's it. So I don't have any eye makeup on or my brows done or anything, so sorry about that. But I was just like in the middle of doing like my face makeup, so I thought I would do this video. So I'm just gonna tap into this and I'm just gonna try it on my cheeks. I do find with these blushes you do kind of have to build them up a little bit. It's actually so hot in here right now, I'm actually dying. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I think it looks nice. It definitely has more of a cooler tone to it, but I still really like it. I find that my skin kind of like works with like purpley tones with it for some reason. I don't know why, but it does. So I actually really like this still. I definitely recommend the other two before that one just because it, like, these ones are more universal and everything. I'm not sure if everyone's gonna look that great in this, and it could be more purple tone on someone that has like a lighter skin tone. I don't really see any like glitter or anything, which is really nice. It's just like a sheen. Like it does have a sheen. It's not completely matte, but yeah, I really like it still. These guys are only $4.99 US, so it's a really good deal. It's probably like one of the cheapest blushes I've purchased before, and I really like them, especially these two. And yeah, I just really like these blushes. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys if you're interested in purchasing one of these or multiple of these. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. And if you are new, I hope that you will subscribe. Just hit that big red subscribe button down below and then you won't miss out on any future videos or giveaways. So I need to go get into like a fan or something because I'm like dying of heat right now. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! you.